hamburgers. Oh no! My tailgate won't open! Hamburgers. Well, it's a tight fit here in the shop. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jason Explains Things. We've got a quick old Dodge project video for you today. My tailgate handle has stopped working. This is gonna be something not gonna be an issue to repair at all for you guys. But you have your handle, which has two plastic clips on it that connects two linkage rods to your latches on both the left and the right. What's happened here, and if I'll cut to a shot that shows this. The clip on the left is still attached, so the handle is still operating the latch here on the left. But on the passenger side over here on the right, you can see that that clip is broken and that connecting rod is just dangling there. To kind of prove my point, you can actually feel it and grab the rod just with your hands and then, oh, got it. For parts, all you're gonna need are some door lock rod clips. This little pack from Doorman is supposed to work. Actually, the Amazon description says it's not compatible with this truck, but I independently verified, searching part numbers and things from other people on forums, that this little pack will have the right clips that you need to repair this on a Dodge Ram of this vintage, whether that be from the 70s all the way to the early 90s. So these will work. What we're gonna have to do is we have to lower the handle mechanism down so we can access it when the tailgate is up. I'm going to have to remove this diamond plated tailgate cover that's probably been on the truck since it was brand new to get access to the 3 mounting screws on the back here. Okay, cool. Anyway, you don't need to take your tailgate off to actually do this job. I'm just doing that so it's easier to shoot a video, but that's how you take the tailgate off too. Hey! Wait. Okay, cool, the handle is all now loose. Let's flip it over and get to those clips. There it is. So there you go. You can see that this one is still attached, but we got a black clip and we got a white clip, and the white clip is broken. I can feel the rod here. There we go. So there's our broken clip. So you can see this black one right here. I can hold on to that because that's going to be the correct one for this piece right here. So I'll be able to save this in case this one ever breaks. Judging by our broken piece, and looks like this one here is gonna be our new one. Oh, got it, sweet. Get that? I hope so. Okay, I'll try to twist this. Very slowly twist it. Don't wanna break it, it's just plastic. Okay. Yeah, that worked. Hey, there you go. Hopefully that just helps everything from getting dry. Cool. All right, everything is looking good. Before I reattach our handle, I'm gonna apply a little bit of anti-seize to these bolts. Cool, all tightened up. Before I tighten up all the rest of the way, let's see if this handle works on both sides. Sweet. Okay. I think I'm gonna take this guy apart a little bit and see why doesn't want to latch. Marley's here to help for a second. This latch was giving me lots of trouble even after lubricating it, and what I discovered is if you look down here, something hit this really, really hard at one point, and I noticed that the mounting points for this latch actually got bent, so I added a washer on the other side of this one and made sure that this one's really, really tight so that it's straight on both sides. So now it should work. Go ahead and pull it. Yep. Yeah. Nice. Hey, well, that was easy to fix. Hope you guys enjoyed that project. That was a lot easier than I was actually expecting. It's amazing how these things are designed just to be, frankly, easy to fix. It's awesome. Anyway, go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up, and well, a like and a thumbs up are the same thing. Share it, leave a comment. Engagement will help more people see these videos on YouTube, and yeah, help more people out. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. I'm gonna put that diamond plate thing back on for sure, but I'm just gonna do that off camera. You don't need to see how to do that because it's screws. You put it, you use screws. Anyway, everybody, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, don't forget to do it yourself. All right, see ya. Huh? Wow. Pretty cool. Hey, click on one of these videos. That one. Or this, is it here? Click on that one. Or this one. Oh, these are great videos. Or this subscribe button, you can hit that too. Wow, these are great.